Yun. Where is the horse? Horse. Ayun. Where is the duck? Sound ng duck. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Where's the duck? Okay, good job. Rabbit. Where is the rabbit? Ayun. Where is the chicken? Church? Chicken. Where's the chicken? Anong gusto? What do you want? Okay. Animals. Oh, good job. Okay. Where's the duck? Duck. Okay, next. Deer. Okay, next. Where's the rabbit? Rabbit. Ayun. Okay. Pig. Cow. Crab. Cow. Crab. Where's the crab? Crab. Ayun. Ang galing ah. Chicken. Where's... Ayun, chicken. Goat. Okay, sige. S. Ang galing ah. Cow. Okay. Let's go to the colors. Adriel, colors. Red color. What? Red color. Orange color. Orange car. This one. This is orange. Be.
Orange.
Siya pa, gusto niya siya daw magtuturo. Sabi niya, these animals is pig. This duck. Okay. Turo mo kay Papa.